In medieval times, people believed sneezing was the soul's escape from the body. The act of sneezing was considered dangerous as it left the body vulnerable to evil spirits. Saying "bless you" after someone sneezed became a protective charm, meant to keep the spirits safe within the body and to ward off any malevolent forces lurking nearby. This practice continues today, not so much out of fear, but as a social custom that endures through the centuries. It's fascinating how this simple act carries such ancient origins.